In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and manipulate files in OneDrive. Whether you're new to OneDrive or just looking to get more organized, understanding how to efficiently manage files is crucial. Let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly handle your files with this powerful cloud storage tool. To get started, make sure you're logged into your OneDrive account. Once you're in, you'll see your file library. Think of this as your virtual workspace, where all your documents and media are stored. Navigation here is straightforward. On the left side of the screen, you'll see options like My Files, Recent, and Shared. Focus on My Files since this is where you'll be managing your document storage. To move a file, locate the file you wish to relocate. You can either click on it directly or check the little circle icon to the left of the file name to select it. This selection method is handy if you have multiple files to move, as you can select several at once. Now, look towards the top menu where you'll find an option labeled Move To. Clicking this opens up a panel, displaying all your folders. Navigate through this list to find the destination where you want to move your file. Once you've found the right spot, simply click Move. Your file will then transfer to the selected folder, and an on-screen confirmation will assure you that it's successfully moved. Now, let's talk about copying a file. This process is very similar to moving, but you'll choose the Copy to option in the top menu instead. Selecting this creates a duplicate of your file in the destination folder, while the original remains in its initial location. This is particularly useful if you need the same file accessible in different projects. Manipulating your files doesn't stop there. Sometimes you'll need to rename a file for better organization. To do this, find your desired file, right-click, and select Rename. Enter the new name and hit Enter. Simple as that, your file has a new, more descriptive title. Last but not least, if you find you no longer need a file, deleting it is straightforward. Select your file, look for the Delete button in the menu bar, and click it. Deleted files temporarily move to the Recycle bin on OneDrive, giving you a chance to recover them should you change your mind. They stay there for a limited time before being permanently erased, so be sure to review your recyclables periodically. By following these steps, you'll quickly find yourself to be a master of file management in OneDrive. The ability to move, copy, rename, and delete files with ease will help keep your digital workspace neat and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to explore other features in OneDrive to make the most of your cloud storage experience.